So if you can't tell by the title, we are making a carbon fiber milling plate. So as you well know, carbon fiber is a bit of a dusty material. So the thought behind this is that we can get this big plate right here, mill out a big pocket, and fill it with water or some type of coolant, so that when you go to mill the carbon fiber with a carbide burr, all of the dust doesn't go flying everywhere, and that's a huge issue for your respiratory system if you don't have some type of mask or some type of enclosure here to hold all that dust in. So this is the way of getting around that as far as I know. I haven't seen anything like this before, but I really want to mill some carbon fiber and see what it's all about. So this is my way of getting around that. So let's talk about some complications so far. Well, this is a 7-inch piece from here to here, and I think the whole capacity that this machine will go, capacity I guess, is like 7 1/4. So I had to do some programming to keep it in this bounding box here. So keep this tool within this area right here. If it goes out of the area, then it'll over travel the machine. It won't allow it to go that far. So I had to add some shims here. These are some parallels, and that's actually what I'm clamping the part on. I have a small parallel on the back and just slightly larger parallel on the front here, and that gave me my just almost perfect amount to keep this tool within the machine's capabilities. So that's the biggest problem so far. Actually, that's the only problem so far. That took me about a half hour to figure out what I could do and also program it. So that's not too bad. So the main part is now complete, and I did a little sandblast on it. So now I have to make these clamps that come down, and basically I'm going to use these tapped holes here to hold the clamp which holds the part. So now this is the idea. You have this material that is completely submerged by water. So if this material were something that would cause a lot of dust, like carbon fiber, fiberglass, or G10, then this would be ideal, because I can put a 6-inch piece in here and then just let it rip, and there would be no dust. I mean, there would be this water that I have to deal with, but I can put that in a bucket of some sort and dispose of that properly later. So I hope that really works out. I don't see a reason why it wouldn't work out, but you never know about these kind of things. I have never machined carbon fiber before, but I know I need a carbide burr bit. I have a good idea what I'm going to get, but I am not sure on that yet. I'll probably have to do some more research, so I probably won't machine any carbon fiber in the next video, but very soon. So I will be very much looking forward to that, to see what comes of it. So anyway, I think that's it for now, so thanks for watching.